This is Blombos Cave. It's on the coast of South Africa. It's been the location of a bunch of really exciting archaeological finds over the years. Some of the first ornamental beads, one of the first drawings that human beings ever made. Between 10 and 20 meters down, about 100,000 years old, the archaeologists who worked that cave found something remarkable. These are abalone shells. In the one on the right, you can see a little rock down at the bottom, and it's sort of molded to the shape of the inner surface, the nacreous substance on the inside of the shell. And you'll see also some reddish color there. That's ochre, an iron oxide. These are tools for grinding that ochre down, for mixing it with, they found samples of what's called trabecular bone, like you'd find in the spine. It's sort of fat and marrow and cartilage, porous and gooey. These are tools to mix all that together and make a pigment, to turn ochre into a paint. It's the oldest known example of human beings taking a natural material and turning it into colored stuff they can use. The archaeologists who found them, led by a researcher named Christopher Henshelwood, called these toolkits. Blombos was a workshop for making color technology. But by the time you have people painting, for example, the insides of the caves at Lascaux in the south of France, tens of thousands of years after what was going on at Blombos, you have a pretty wide palette. Now, this isn't obviously enough of a gamut to depict the entire natural world, but there's a lot of color there. You've got the ochres, there's some coppery stuff for green, the blacks are magnesium and carbon, like soot. That's easy because you've got fires. And sometimes you'll have something almost always calcium carbonate based for white. And it's enough to make some really striking image like these. These are from the simulated Lascaux cave that the French built just outside the real cave. But you can also ask, could the people who painted it also have had other pigments? And the answer is yes. Maybe they had a blue made from flowers or something. We know because they were humans that they saw color like we do.